Hello everyone, it's me, Jimmy, and welcome back to the Satoshi Chase. Today we got another twist. After hitting $115 just a few days ago, the market decided to remind me who's boss. Portfolio's back at $112, not the biggest drop in the world, but it's enough to stink a little when you're playing with a small stack. Still, this is all part of the game. Every cent counts, up or down. But now let's check the charts. We can see that Bitcoin drop over here in the last hour. What we need to check is Solana, which is almost identical. We have a position in Solana with over 400% down, so we are going to open a few positions. Okay, 0.03. We would like to... What is our break-even price? 186. Oh, 186 is pretty nice actually. 86 is over here. So we need 187 to be in profit. But okay, I would like to open one more. Okay, we don't have liquidation price yet, so another position, buy long. Okay, 300% down, which means we'll be in profit around over here, 186. Yep, at 186 we are already in profit. But again, I would like to open one more, buy long. So our position is at almost 80 cents times 100 leverage. This is $79. Okay, final position for today. We are less than 3% down, 84 cents. It's okay, and our profit will be over $185. Over here we are already going to be profitable, which is less than 3%. So yeah, let's hope after this drop, it might drop even further, but let's hope to see green. Let's see what repo is showing. Yep, exact same drop over here on the hourly chart. Let's see the daily chart. We are quite high. I would like to wait before opening additional positions because repo seems very volatile and I wouldn't risk my portfolio since we also have Solana at 100x leverage. BNB, we are close to the current price, so no need to take any actions at this point. Let's see Solana one more time on the daily chart. It went up. Okay, it went slightly higher than this, so it shouldn't go down. It shouldn't go down from when, not quite sure when, but it should go up and most probably then it will go down. We are waiting for that slide going up, then we're going to take our profits and reopen the positions with the minimum amount. But hey, it's still going down. Let's see the weekly chart, however. Yep. Going back to the 1 hour. It's quite full candle. So let's open another position. Wow, it's down. One more. This is called buying the dip, or how is it? Martingale, probably. Yes, I think this was the name, and I do not recommend it to anybody. we are really sticking to our plan and being careful. Right now, if I hit $1 at 100 times leverage, I'm going to stop buying the dip and wait to see where the market will go. Let's check our profit and loss details for a second. Yep, we are minus 1 cent today, just because we are only opening positions, and commissions, fees, so on are being taken from our assets. Our assets value is still at over $115 just because we have not closed our positions. In other words, they are not lost yet. Today's dip got me thinking about one of the most brutal but important moments in crypto history, the 2018 crash. Back in December 2017, Bitcoin hit nearly $20,000 for the very first time. People were convinced we'd never see it under that level again, but just 1 year later, by December 2018, Bitcoin was trading around $3,000. That's an 80% wipeout. Actually, 85% wipeout. Thousands of people left crypto for good during that winter. They called it the crypto ice age. But here's the thing, the ones who stayed, the ones who endured the pain and kept learning, they were the same people who later saw Bitcoin push beyond $60,000. That crash became a filter, separating hype chasers from builders and believers. So when I look at my little dip from $115 down to $112, it's honestly nothing. It's just practice, training me to deal with the emotions of red days, so I'll be ready for the big moves later. And while preparing for those big moves, let's set a take profit for our Solana position. Take profit, how much we would like to take that profit. 86, which is not enough. I am looking at the profit we would eventually take over here, and I am writing the price for Solana when our positions would close. I will be generous over here, aiming at 300%. Actually, let's see what we would like to. Oh, yep, 190 sounds okay to me. Okay, so taking profit at $190. If Solana hits those, we would take $3 of profit. Confirming the take profit. So yeah, today's portfolio sits at $112, not where I'd love it to be, but the story is bigger than one day or one dip. We're 2 months in, we're still in the green overall, and the mission hasn't changed. $100 to $1 million, 1 cent at a time. Let's see where tomorrow takes us. Peace!